Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly lecture video. So I'm going to jump right in here with discussion board number 6. Chapter 1 is all about selecting a research topic. Let me be clear. This research topic is going to be the subject of all your activities from now and until the end of the course. Yes, the COM 102 is designed for an extended research project. So during chapter 1, we're going to work through some interests, look at discourse communities, and then we're going to move on to the proposal exercise 1.5 by the end of the week. Once we go over and grade exercise 1.5 and approve of everybody's topic, that will be what you research and write about throughout all the assignments. The annotated bibliography, any kind of exercises asking you to develop a research topic. The final, the final research essay, first draft, last draft, will all be on this topic. So I am going to look at these topics very strategically over the week, and I will offer guidance and questions. Okay. So there was a bit of confusion here. Exercise 1.1 is that same as the textbook right here. Just drawing together some items, step 1 and step 2. Some things that may or may not interest you, some things you've been thinking around in the back of your head. And then the step 2 is looking for single items. Now, the idea here is the part 2, identify a discourse community. And there is that page, that section here. Let me get back to the modules. Pull this up. Consider a discourse community. So I have a couple of articles in here you may want to skim. One by Swales and one by Dan Meltzer. His article, his little understanding discourse communities. His example is a guitar group there. Also, I have a short lecture video there that will talk about discourse communities. So that's important. In either area, some general interest in exercise 1.1, steps 1 and 2. And it's part 2 of that particular discussion board. Let me get back over here. Okay, part 2 is going to be developing a discourse community here. Now, if we take a look at some of the posts that have already been uploaded as of Tuesday and a Wednesday, some of the topics may be kind of pedestrian. I call them pedestrian everyday topics. Some of the discourse communities are actually quite interesting if you want to scroll through and take a look at some of the discourse communities. I thought there was a few really good ones there myself. So I want to make sure that everyone is aware about how that particular discussion board number 6 would work. All right, should be pretty straightforward. Now this is the big one here. It's exercise 1.5. You should read pages 34 to 38 in the textbook. If you don't have the textbook, you're going to be at a disadvantage here. And I have here in your proposal, your post, begin the first paragraph with your inquiry question, then write a few sentences about what you want to learn about topic. This is a research, something you want to learn about. You may want to take a position and support an argument, write a few sentences on why you want to argue. Next paragraph, paragraph number 2, describing your prior beliefs, assumptions, and personal experiences. Especially if you're working with a discourse community, you're going to have some personal experiences. It might be a topic there where you have some prior assumptions that you may want to prove out. All right. So I am looking for a substantial post, 300 to 350 words for your proposal. Some real writing and thinking there. And then look for 2 to 3 internet sources to help you develop content. No formal citation required. All I want is the links. The links must be good. Just standard internet sources. So, once again, typical discussion board, 2 responses there. Comment on everybody's topic. Should be substantial. I want to look at your research topic. This is your proposal. And we'll go move forward in that capacity. If I get over to, let's see, page 34. Let me scroll here real quickly. Here we go. I think chapter 1 is a good read all the way around there. You're going to build that bibliography. Okay, you might want to think about narrowing your topic a little bit. And then if you want to look for inquiry questions, Table 1.2 has all sorts of nice inquiry questions for you. All right. And here we go. give you two pathways in the textbook, one's to explore and one's to argue. And then here is the research proposal. You're going to want to read through this and pull this one together for discussion board number 7. All right? So once again, if you have any questions or issues about discussion board 6 or 7, we have a couple of students who have already uploaded topics. All right? So the idea here is that you want to make sure that you have this together by the end of the week. If you have any questions or issues, send me an email.